If you blow with the blow. You don't envy if you blow with the blow. If you blow with the blow.
Just the studios of you for you. I'm here with another segment of the exclusive show, and I'm right here in the studios with my only man. You are welcome to the show.
Thank you, bro.
Charlie, how was the Christmas? You know, it's been a while. It's been a while that we met. How was the Christmas?
Christmas. I don't celebrate Xmas.
Oh, why?
I believe Xmas is not in the Bible.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But then it was indicated that it was the day that Jesus Christ was born.
I don't believe in the birth of Jesus Christ.
Sick off. Why don't you church?
I church.
So why? Are you not a Christian?
I'm a Christian.
So why don't you believe in this?
There's nowhere in the Bible that is written that we should celebrate Christmas.
Oh, really?
We don't do that.
So this is from Obuoba. He said he actually said there's nowhere in the Bible that is written or indicated that there's a particular portion that indicates that we celebrate Christmas. Maybe you might be in line with him. Perhaps you wouldn't be in line with him. So let's see and then hope for. Since we have a way of doing our findings and research, probably we'll end up having our findings and then get to know whether it is really true for us to celebrate Christmas or not to celebrate Christmas. But in the new year, it's celebrated, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'm sure 31st night you went to church and then you actually said a lot to God.
We are in a new year, so I don't lie. I wasn't in church.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I was watching my pastor preaching on TV.
Okay.
Take off corona, so I don't want to be together.
So do you have any New Year resolutions?
Charlie, make a piano go.
Oh, Charlie, wait, my boo. You ain't catchy, huh? Yeah, Ghana food, so you ain't catchy.
As a normal human being, and as a visionary person,
sure.
Who called any year BMI, you have to get plans. As I say, as my plans are very big.
Okay.
And my revelations in the doors.
Okay.
I can't meet me by saying out the bill.
Sure.
But that we are expecting much.
Okay.
From this year.
Okay. So meaning last year wasn't that suitable, but you're expecting much this year. And I believe so. You know, in life you have to be determined and also know where you're heading towards to. Let's say last year 2021 things weren't all that okay, but this year things are running. We should expect nothing but the best. Because what I hope for, my revelation is better life and good health. Because if you don't have life, you can't proceed to have what you want to achieve. And then if you don't have good health too, you can't proceed to achieve what you really want to achieve. So I believe together we can achieve our dreams. But you know, during the first night, someone was very close to me at church. Empire Obani now, not why line up no. I feel I was saying to Range Rover. I feel I was saying to Benz. I feel I was saying me to down with East Legon. Me to down with Trasaco. Don't you think, sir? What have these revelations be now? At the end of the day, won't me achieve this target in?
Yeah. And I make as a visionary person and as a human being, you have to have dreams.
Sure.
And your dreams should be big.
Sure.
And it will be a dream that bigger. You mean can't say your dreams not dreaming too much, and I say maybe he can't meet his expectations, and I say no, meet being good and more. Or I didn't talk. Yes, I like that.
Yeah.
I just said maybe the nice to be so.
Sure.
So when Timon achieving in now this year, at least a bit man, I did that the other year.
Yeah.
So we shouldn't say oh the year no year no nyam be drew and I say ultimately meet up
the target.
That target that we ain't gasa. And you no dream big. Now one day we'll wait to achieve it.
Sure, because a lot of people weren't able to achieve their dreams and goals last year, all because say a media mo make us almost synopsis no na e wadodo.
I say we tribuda wa over come your.
I say almost synopsis na e wadodo into no mean to achieve your target and dreams no. But I believe say your short handy and sa okofo bi ni diary a o. Niema o list for after 2021 na e do so dodo. It went me and achieve bi. So me there no
on the your list and your list. So we economics are don't be a friend scale of preference.
Yes.
And
opportunity cost.
Yes. And you know who are while study by your needs and your they want.
Yeah.
The ending will be here at that particular year.
Sure.
You will be that share at once now. But you know who are if you don't get it now, you can't live.
Yeah, and also true.
You know who are you have to get it that year. And the one you na ma
no my basa.
Yeah, one thing no you there is burden on you. But so to me say unis ni year dia, then you are good to go. Want in the later one
Sure. Me know we are doing bebre. So the exclusive show na wasugusu a uti a wo hwe so no. Me name yankasa main man Oboba. The greatest pandemic bakupe when it comes to entertainment all over GH. Uhiana just Brian Studios, you will see this man. He's a vibrant guy, versatile. All angles. He's there to support and help. What you see, whether for to managerial skills or the better mouth, or by entertainment, or the better sports put it, then they forget it. Or be you list, betting list, or best. Who's to make sure we know where we know matches now. Now be back on Kayamau. So. Since I call Xmas na main share Ember studio because now we still on break. Some of us were still on break because me Ghana my Christmas no I say to quite a crack. Yeah. Wow, shout. My wife is so shy. Me come. Maybe my wife will be a big shout out to you. I say. Oh, one say. Oh, that's my Bonnie D. Yeah, of course I can mention. Yeah, meet my Bonnie D. Yeah. Or a lawyer. She's a lawyer, understandable person, and I believe wherever she is, and she knows what I'm talking about. Yeah,
Madam,
all right, so and me de na possible free. You have to dive deep into it. Now, you're finding you who say if it's right or it's wrong. So and no one your man be doing in our soccer crown. So you start here from the top. Now your corner. Next video of shirtless prophet Nigel Gazy sharing with TikTok. Slave queen goes viral and for a reason we don't know. What I say? That's one of the headlines. So you better connect a video no. See a video no bar. Now we deliberate upon that video. Now you who are way forward. So a real quick one for this myself a video no to Ghana afe ahwefo ni etie for omuhu ne echo. Let's tell your finest MCI for you.
You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you
NSC 250, come along TT. Giuseppe's are nothing in a Maserati. Hey, baby, easy. Fine boy like you, easy. You won't kiss somebody.
Wrong, get it, you the wrong. Get up, we drink with a drop cup. Ha! Hey! Can you see how the thing goes? How the thing goes? Oh, you're telling me who blend you? And who? Ha! Alright, take it. Ha! You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you do.
NSC 250, come along TT. Giuseppe's are nothing in a Maserati. Hey, baby, easy. Fine boy like you, easy. You won't kiss somebody.
Wrong, get it, you the wrong. Get up, we drink with a drop cup. Ha! Hey! Can you see how the thing goes? How the thing goes? Oh, you're telling let me hook and do. And hook. Ha. All right. Take it.
Wow. In fact, this thing really the bust my brain. Oh. It really the bust my brain. All because one, Nigel Gazin, we know him as a prophet or a man of God, and just recently before 31st, yenya intie bi say Nigel, yenya intie bebre efa prophet Nigel who say or you can say or like after Dampare issue in the Bible say oh there's no way prophecies no ebekoso any enkoso, but then they should find a comfortable way or make me my prophecy na ere akọ said be emfa problem say ere embromo, but then I believe say Nigel or yeah the rightful thing eba bontin kra ebe kasai ema nkrofo be ene no edin sawoso ema mo church o ma dream bebre kakra efa di na ekoso no it's video na go here no one can let say I mean, and you cry what background and that boss to be brain no. Also chilling with the big boys. You want to bam.
Me, you don't show me that. I said
yeah.
About suffer for 1 year. And you show you make my transit. Yeah, bomb so bad. Me, you show me di muni kaka. Na me kasa be a bit
sure.
But Pastor Nigel Gaze is one. I don't know. Me, I'm not God. Me so I'm
a fake prophet.
Yes. Or a prophet, or also a prophet.
Sure.
And you all know say a prophet. Or now sorry that. But video, I was in the house when I go through my Instagram page and I saw video up here. I say. Girl, just sleep with.
Yeah.
Sure. For TikTok.
Okay, finding out.
I'm about to be a TikToker. Slave or
TikTok. No, yeah. Asanto amuku no.
So me, I thought I'm say one pack. Upon be a kasa.
Sure.
He talks a lot. So and only Kennedy Japan so a problem.
Yeah,
so
I check. I think somewhere 2020 that's our issue.
Yeah. And you imagine about so say. Kennedy Japan I started exposing how this video about two because Kennedy Japan can one of his interview say he will expose this man.
Sure.
Yeah, then a man normal or any actresses in don't know man it was alleged. It mean that I mean say we video about that me say Kennedy Japan about.
Okay.
Before later. You know what they are
and also answer. But then me, I believe as being a man of God and as being a prophet, now Castle Queen so the enke fan who bang.
It mean Jim to say the woman be and I say it's not say video that pop up explain say again
shame. But then who watches our video no? Now compare this video that you are watching now. I believe and you're being put in a back show and also explain actually say something fishy is going on between Nigel and the lady.
Yes.
Because the way the girl was so much attached to the guy, now it was serious. To the extent the girl was even friend saying or take it.
But see, social media.
Yeah.
Hey, good. Baby myself.
Oh sure.
So he be on social media.
I was saying you take it an extra eye on.
That lady now me. I'm speaking for myself.
Sure.
I wouldn't believe. Say news.
Yeah. Yo, maybe Leslie, I see you. I see you, homie. Yeah, Charlie, big ups to you, my brother. Yeah, you're watching live. What you see?
It is said me or boy material.
Yeah.
If all the evidence they are said there by me, I wouldn't believe because as a pastor, how can you associate yourself with then slave queens and as a so your only squad shouldn't be closer to you, sir.
Sure. I mean, I said no kind of very right because to the extent say when you say lady know social media and I say TikToker now our problems also an eye to the state and also to the nation. Okay, Uncle Fona or Mokasa or mine etie. So when such lady having an affair to the extent say ube exposing Charlie Who should video na? Mimi who video na challenge the thing they post my brain.
Mimi them I feel no more be. But a comfort watching the video over finding ways of bed or bedroom or
Sure.
when you see it.
Sure.
But Mimi the Magdalene say they have some way you need.
So you believe, sir, this video can tarnish his image?
Yeah. No, and
because before 31st, no, the guy was so wild to the extent, say, whatever Dan Paris says, Biano, he was against.
Yeah.
And then during his preaching and as his prophecy, no, or can be said, how do you call it?
Also, I'm not prophesying to Ghana.
Yes.
But I'm prophesying to homophobia. So
Exactly.
Homophobia. You have to find out where.
Yeah.
Where the country is.
That's the I wasn't finding because explanation in he was referring to Ghana. But one yes smart, no one think it twice. You wouldn't know say or refer to the country Ghana. And I obey them any day, no matter what it is. Obey them. Sure. Me, I understand. I say leaders and then say BBC. Okay, so we have more stories to do. So let's move on to the next story. The next story is said Shatawale no wants a this time round no yes apologize using the F word way and Frank Nero Yankasa superstar Frank Nero Kumahood actor Frank Nero Osaye music artist and as musician or say on MC Zion Felix granting an interview some few days ago no like Osre yen nua bema Shatawale say on be apologize. We dey yanko video no. Say na Frank Nero all go down his knees apologizing. Yewura Shatawale actually say that thing no Uncle Umbra out no be apologizing. Yanko video no. Na ye ba na ye dey.
Enti we dey. Mami nkonko todwemu na like miraho asemi ambekan na insada mensayom. Na masere me gina this Zion Felix o platform so 2022 me nyo bia like I'm nobody, I'm just Frank adum bi na aso me so me bra panyini Stone Boy me se open ma asem pa yehia bia vibe tie ma asem so bi di nyankopon hata sori e power 2022 say adie bia because Bible say yenim ochina okoda unyim de beto adie bia menu Kevin Boy bia 2022 jamanenka medi nyankopon ata so serew adie bia oba no aye obia jamanenka owo nsheda I know say and say Kevin Boy Entiasia, you are the first person.
Right, so we're back again. So Oboba, after watching this video, no, I mean, what is your take on this video?
I don't know about Shatawale there. I'm always against him.
Okay, so what's your reasons?
The personality, no. Depending on the personality, I don't like this personality.
Okay.
Why? Because we're too controversial. Kasa ono bi oye so because of social media and also oye keke. But we need who so
Abeba.
Okay, say last year before ended last year.
Sure.
For that prison.
Because
of no bi no dream say na ye man. But later on na nye so be.
Okay.
How can you use an F word? To some people are aiming somewhere.
Yeah, so Nigerians, the real we know that Nigerians are like our sisters.
Yes.
Like a sister nation, so or a sister country.
We are family.
And I don't think say it was the rightful thing to have done. Say obe fair or more using or insulting them with the word F.
Now, if you send a message via cross, there's a way you have to go about it.
Sure.
What is it? You are a celebrity. You can celebrate and sometimes someone tells he's an artist or a celebrity. There are people looking up to you.
Okay.
And they say if you are what that millions of people follow now you do some worse. Yeah, who watching? What do you expect from us?
Yeah, because
just be follow them start now so you know. Every time they be out they be catch us say Wale the fans pastor the Wale fans. They are not that real fans, you know. That them people now would didn't achieve.
Sure.
Because
Now I can say omo jijino. Omo dada no.
yes.
Okay.
They are not the real fans.
Okay. So we advise Ekoma Yinu Abema Shatawale. I mean, so do you also think say what Frank Nero did, you know, publicly nail it down say Shatawale Embe Pacho no was it the rightful thing?
I saw Pacho for using that fuck word because the Nigerians are still working with this. Who say I can't say Ghana boy Ghana.
Yeah.
Who say the video of Ghana?
Meaning
Whiskey by Ghana or Sako.
yeah, Whiskey do I'm say 3 days to 4 days to do no.
Loje boy no boy Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
Mona Lisa that Omunya of Ghana.
Okay.
So if they don't love us, and also support
I
it.
come back.
Come by the one.
I'm back.
Come by the one. There is love between us. See, we need the come once and say support them. If you are sending a message across, and money get profane. Which one is that profane word?
You know, everybody knows Shatawale as that kind of guy, using profane words in his songs and other places too. You know, the social media and also the internet is the best way to make Shatawale stop all this. And after saying this now, I don't think say and paying for a shame so. I was saying paying for
I don't know if you have this story. There's another story. I don't know who are because another guy, one of our sister station.
Yeah, my story no.
Okay, I remember.
Story no. Okay, so now you're moving on to the next story. The next story is that Dampare is at it again. Dampare effect. I say Sibium. What I say? Not just a reckless truck driver arrest few hours after it was posted online. Maybe I don't know whether it's a video or a footage, but then let's go have the footage of it. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. So na de ebe pie mo e wo hono no so no Dampare yanka say ye papa Dampare. Well, he's at it again. The moment na track no overtake here and I say with this reckless driving no omo post it to online when we need to say Ghana I say there internet na run sin bibia o Ghana bibia ni wa bet ma challenge the internet na ne okopie mu no oboba me pacho I mean it's all saying how do you see this?
I say Akufu Dampare IGP on one funny human diago.
Yeah.
Who are they name probably
attacking
because I saw I do see I can make my accident.
Sure.
What I say and see on call the attention or draw a police for attention big ups to the person. Why are they pan? I IGP so and transfer and that's one that was so or putting much effort on my investigation with call yes and because saying you will nipa be Ghana na come here that timemfo adwuma bi say ya and I this bibi wrong na come to draw police na attention like so the person who did that big ups.
All right. MC menya messages kakra every me busuafo no enchen na I was say meet me reading na obia ehu ne echo where you from Leslie Parkwesi Adogla me personal person yeah me uncle Bakope I say bro I see you anyway every the second person here David Asamoah I say MC Kokoti watching you live. Yeah, Charlie, shout out to you, big man. And Leslie Nabium answer Betro. I say Shatawale wants to make news. Nigerian arts support Ghanaian art than Ghanaian artists themselves. Oh, that's great. Charlie, big up to you, my brother. Now we know they see the footage song. Oh, sorry, Charlie. I quite say me and mystery me the any internet my own footages no. If you really want to enjoy our footages, then you go to HYTV GH or Facebook, you have the footages there. HYTV GH, you have all the footages there. And I'll call YouTube and so HYTV GH. Also subscribe, like it. Yeah, you have the footages there. Me pacho, Mr. Mubibre, mo fan chairman, say me to me provide footages on my own. Where me and Kasana me streaming media ba TV no streaming live HYTV GH or Facebook. You can go on Facebook and then log in and probably you get the footages all. Thank you very much, Leslie. Charlie, thanks for contributing. Leslie Nabium also say the IGP is restoring dignity back to the police force. Charlie, big ups to you. It's very real. The Leslie can audio was saying.
Yes, the man is bringing back like a Juma be no before we bring
yes.
And Yahoo, I know. And yes, or yeah, for fame, the man is doing the way.
Sure.
The first time the man have a panic ball.
Me say, me who video be on. Now, I think Enkofobi say, Omo Anko Asoro said, Indomie join to. And Omo de Guinness ne, when together will be some say, we hold the immune boma open yade. What I say? So this man is really doing a great work, and big ups to the IGP. The IGP, we hoping, say he becomes the president of Ghana. Because the man is the man for the country. Yes. Because leadership, they won't say leadership quality our papa nimu. Yamisha no baby or obia. Ever since Obaena, ama police mu and Susan Kakra Abem. No, me tell you. This is MYD. Yeah, big ups to him. Why are they? Now you're moving on to the next story. The next story in here, Benna Boy's mom told me I will be next big thing after Benna. Now we if we yan kasa yenu Bema episode hold on. Yanko share footage no. Now yen share the tweets and how the tweets went. I'll say I had a dream that I met Benna Boy and his mom said I'll be the next big thing after Benna. This dream will surely come true. Wow. So, Mami Bisa Bini Abema, do you believe in this? Where it's like a prophecy.
You ever started?
Yeah.
You have to dream big.
Exactly.
Maybe any dream no dream. I have any dream here, but the dreams no.
Sure.
What I say?
Yeah.
Obey. We are saying obey more than.
Sure.
Benna Boy. And I say Benna Boy feel on a bed.
I better take over.
Benna Boy. What I say?
Yeah.
But maybe the meeting that won't dream here. So I'm not him.
Yeah.
That's what won't dream me. But you have to dream big. Episode they will be a good artist.
Sure.
So dream that level. He's almost there.
Because I don't know the reason why up to now episode on Drew the top guy because the guy is very good, talented.
He's the current dancehall artist in Ghana.
Me guy, I mean, all mommy comment on Facebook, Leslie Park, we see Adogla. Oh, yeah, Stoneboy fine, pa. One big time fan. He doesn't joke with Stoneboy. Now, assign Neniji episode who so. But I mean, it's on there, Charlie. Why is it that all this while, episode on Drew Roy, or say his time will soon come?
Sure.
So I believe in whatever, I mean, and also all kind because episode will see me in there.
The time is
sure.
Time has no limits.
The
time there to come. It will. As I know, be a special VJ may dance or artist of the year.
Sure.
But he took it.
Yeah.
The time there. A
drew okay. So where from Obuoba, menenona and yeah, and come over studio has say now studio I there because yeah criticize it and near Polishibi. Yeah, enko ye no ye de yebeka papa yebeka because we want a better Ghana, not the Ebeko Basa in the near future. Because Echiriman Omobano Mube say Yabo Ejuma part 1, they will always upload us and appreciate us. Big ups to the youth in Ghana because we are always on the fight. So we will never give up too. So let's move on to the next story. The next story is a 17 years old JHS graduate from Ghana has built a scooter bike to help physical challenge to move freely. Now, yanko video number. Video. Me pa cho omo share me live no. O pese o footage ni na o bet ma stream live. ɛwɔ obɛkɔ HYTVGH ɛwɔ Facebook na afei wɔ streaming wobɛhu show no sɛ ɛkɔ so live ɛwɔ hɔ no wobɛhu footages ne nyinaa videos na ɛkɔ so ne nyinaa wobɛhu ne nyinaa ɛyɛ musumfo MC Ike na mene mo twetwe nkɔmmɔ no yɛhwɛ video no bra na producer why card afa to me nkɔɛ
people whenever they are going somewhere. You don't need your legs to do something, or you just have to on it and it will take you to wherever you want to go. My name is Samuel Abwaje and I'm 17 years old. Just complete my JSS.
Wow.
The motor I use to make the electric motorbike is the volt is 12 volts.
This is serious.
And the solar panel is also 12 volts, and also the battery is also 12 volts. It lasts for about 5 hours or so because of the solar panel. So it can run about 20 miles. This is the power button that controls the bike, and this is the controller for the music. This is my bell to signal people when I'm on the road. And this is my brake. And this is a slot for charging, charged by electricity when I don't want to use the solar panel to charge. And this is the switch for backlight and the front light. And this is the media player. You can use pen drive to play or SD card. And this is my backlight. And this is the solar panel used to charge the main battery. The motorbike took me about 2 months to build it. And the electric tricycle also took me about 6 months to build it. I spent about 300 Ghana cedi to complete the motorcycle. I used it because that was the available material. I want to build more of it, this electric bike, to distribute to disabled people, but I don't have the money. I need the financial support with education and the material that I will use. Right now, my scooter, it has.
Wow, this is so beautiful. So Oboba, I mean, then I'll make a video.
Before I make a sound, my mama shout out.
Okay.
Madam for Bakubi. Because I am Madam for Sai Minya to park or UK or show me live or Instagram.
Okay.
Or one of like
Instagram fan, yeah.
Or fellow me power because anytime I call live, yeah. Or show me. Shout out to Park, Charlie. Okay. And then you struggle power Accra.
Deal, Charlie.
And
you're on my money and on Kyle. I brought Uncle Rabruchi Sarana or my life. I be one day. Okay.
It's super for
my memory. Sure.
Okay, see, I call Minyano, sure. Minyano. Yeah.
A branch and 17-year-old guy. Yeah.
Sakra Accra we say no. Is it the Babylon can Sakra we say no. Now ya bone de ni abon de to say the party to bed and because if you have this kind of people Ghana you because we be now Kantanka papa father Apostle Safu Kantanka I also be do baby would do we yes spread this and yes spread it now and before we breathe and share almost like
yeah sure but you know say Ghana and Kasa yekum talent
yekum talent
Ghana yekum talent ye crush talent ubon say akwala no asisu na un say he's building up no for a better Ghana no na fe ye dum no ye be man no so monso sa no say Ghana pimo into when will Ghanaian learn to support our own?
When will Ghanaian learn to support our own? We will, but time will never do.
But what is there recently? Recently, guy be a build excavator.
Yeah.
I know yanti wansem. Or the fool. Insu as fool. Yanti wansem. Down last year, nkwala no mucho BC we no. Akwala ba ko build a car on his own. Yanti support no. And paying for the omano be fifa ho a yanti hwe. Sisi akwala we nso the different thing aba. Our building a scooter bike for a friend said disabled. and as aged people to work freely. And also, you ever can want some more. Yen young conform by the soul. It is scaffold no more Ghana no more yet.
So you can't pay because I say, oh dear, I don't know don't go. Yeah, maybe it's not a call for 24 no more stand.
Sure.
Now more 33 for and support. Some more talent be you for Abraham talkers if you are man on it.
Yeah.
It is a more talent beside na more polish talent. Why don't you establish a firm? Another for acquiring post school. Near another funny rubby beam. The man scholarship, you know, according to me, now made the party through.
Yeah.
But a car, as soon as I can, you can't know my mobile.
I'm from my dream back.
Sleeping.
Draws I can see on
more. But you could solve much. Now one day, I'm
sure.
But as I'm a fear, I'm a deflex. Felix or Shem Life or Instagram.
Okay.
Also, all landing.
Okay.
Also, not many no school SHS.
Oh, that's fine.
Felix,
No, colleagues, no man could you approach you power. Okay, so lastly, was send a message we ask about him or say episode issue na you can earlier. Or say episode is still a work in progress and is being groomed by the legend Samini. So in the next few years, episode will take over GH Music.
Yeah.
Episode has music in his lineage. Apparently, his mom was a lead singer of the famous band called Wulomo. Omo Gaban be a friend Wulomo. Yeah, or one of the famous singers in that band. Yeah.
Okay, now who's artistry life?
I want in life.
Who's about drawings here?
Sir?
About art.
Oh wow! Then the guy is
talented.
So art no okay.
Oh.
This is our build a brand now. No. Also, a band called Wulomo. So the guy has the fire in him, but it's the attitude of we Ghanaians not supporting our own.
We don't support our own. That's the
Charlie,
problem.
a very great shout out to Leslie, Pakwisi Adogla, Duduana friend Razdavi. Big ups to you, bro. Charlie, for sharing your thoughts here. We do really appreciate your effort. We do really appreciate your effort. So, young wrap it up and then you share the last story. You know, I'm a producer. I'm a signal say your time is due. So, young wrap it up and then you share the last story, bro. So, the last story here, Chance the Rapper touched down Ghana and link up with Vic Mensa. Not just say one of the great rappers in the foreign land. I touched down with Ghana. I say, Abranti and Waji Grammy so share. Yeah, wanya Grammy nominations the baby. It's wabba down in there. Not just say he had to work or link up with our artists here in Ghana.
I'll show you the reason
What you
why.
say? So let's push up. Producer, I carry there for 2 minutes.
That's a big major wave. Ghana boys.
We out here.
That's a big major wave. Ghana boys.
We out here. Okay, so Chairman, you see Chance the Rapper, I drop it down. I mean, there's something cooking up.
The Uba story you say that Uba Midi.
Yeah man. Me Judy.
Because Chance the Rapper, I didn't say about Ghana. Purposely for Saturday.
Okay. Hey, this great man there. They be they forward down.
Chance the Rapper, an awarded artist America. The man or G awards with green.
Okay.
Or a hip hop artist or
Okay.
rapper. Grammys or G Grammys. In the or as I Saturday have a conversation on Twitter. Now Saturday can somebody down. Or no buy. To buy only shy there because the first person was shy, Vic Mensa. But I know said by later in the day, you know, and next year.
Okay.
They will meet and go to the studio. Now, Omco Studios are in the area.
Fireworks. Obedi there me jinidi. Rappers me no my boom.
Hold on, who's the drum?
Because on say Ghana nkasa aye wadi oye. But the thing is we don't support our very own. Anything that sometimes no me support sack kakra any wale mu kakra because They still the same. Like the way my brother Leslie Orkan was say, we don't support our own, and it's true. Supposing say Ghanaians we support our artistics our own, like they would have gone far.
If Sarkodie, Timio, put me everywhere. If Sarkodie, Stoneboy, and Shakawali,
Yeah,
everyone Nigeria by now, they are young status.
and
I see, how much Grammys will be.
sure.
Now, better boy, and you man out. The video, and you man out. Stoneboy who says Stoneboy lyrics.
They were
Who
Ragana.
say yes. There's no artist in Nigeria who would have
It's my
been
fit to
Stoneboy.
know.
But I'll see Ghanaians. It's up. Opa ko check a playlist. For Apple Music and I call audio.
Top 10 music.
Nigerians and no Ghana because we don't support our own. So
They really understand the business too.
That's only.
Yeah, Nipa Komingala, I see you.
We don't support our own. Any the problem ever. Charlie, if you are doubts, Charlie, Instagram. Charlie, also have a classmate.
Okay.
SHS. Also show me for that.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
As you say, yes, I say support you una. Share Rocky Down.
Yeah,
On your nomination, Grammys.
yeah.
But how many times they can't answer?
Now, even how many times now? I'm granting interviews.
How many times they bought Grammy nominee no and Rocky Down? How many times they born in your studio?
In fact, Ghana, ngasa.
Before you report him Rocky Down,
I ask more.
boy Ghana ni. What I say?
Anyway.
Man Nigeria ni you nominated Nigeria. You start first day you nominated Burna Boy.
Sure.
Only one on high pay. But Rocky Down you are nominated for Grammys. Grammys saying you have to say what you know. A person called here, a person to a person to hold the body. Another person I want to work Ghana and when I feel Rocky Down because one track Ghana and China, one track Ghana baby not now US you know. Anything supportive Shakawali time now always see did now you have for me for the happy papa we are.
Anka, you drew her. Because one thing is that when my mutuals now, the way I know Mexico can call India, I'm a voice out to Brana and Aquahadu. Yamrena, I am rare, I am rare. So, programming was proudly sponsored by Hanjok Estate Limited, York Mineral Water, and Adams Clothing. So, Osha, they were looking sweet and looking fabulous all the time now. We at Adibia, Nyankasa Minipal, Razdavi. Mommy during my birthday some time back. But Tadu every Fabs J collection. Yeah, Fabs J collection. And Tadu every year. Big ups to them, Charlie. I'm gonna mommy looking good near the other day. Yeah. So Obaba, I mean what Kasaba community Emma Wadofa, I mean wait me out through up now after wrap it up.
Charlie, big ups to all our listeners and our viewers. Obi a ohwe bia da wase na omo ohwe me na go nyom my life for Instagram Tupac UK Flex also UK Efia Daps do Ghana ha ya na nkofo bia omotie bia na me busa for nya che bia na ma ha na ona de gmo ya ba nya bi
Sure. Big ups.
da ni no support them
South Pepe.
nya da wase.
Okay, so Yemreno, I am rare, one more finest MC for you. The whole Ghana, the number one undisputable MC. Big ups to all those who actually visited me during Xmas, who took me out during my birthday. Charlie, big ups to you all. Charlie, a very great kudos to you all. Yankopon, on your mapede, ewa afi 2022, yeremu. Bibia enkoso omo hwehwe ba omo ade aze na omo pese omo ware no omo so yere omo ware ye no ma yense ye bosu jana yense de yegumusa ade aze it's still your finest MCI for you and it's all about what the exclusive show on HYTV York FM nyame boa ochina ye this media ne part 2 ade ba abesomo yes nyame boa ochina a holiday that is a constitution day and how do you know your constitution? And do you really understand the Constitution? Maybe you don't know. Meet me tomorrow so that we discuss the Constitution. Same time tomorrow. Goodbye.
You don't envy if you blow with the blow. If you blow with the blow.
unjami, 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 unjami.